Consider throwing in some fun money here instead of the casino. These nano-cap stocks have asymmetric risk-reward ratios skewed heavily to the upside for investors willing to stomach volatility. Universal Security Instruments. This safety products manufacturer sells at just 6x earnings despite facing only temporary margin compression from supply chain delays. Super League Enterprise, rapidly narrowing losses and 45% expected sales growth in 2024 could reverse sentiment on this left-for-dead video game stock. Black box stocks. With unique perspectives into institutional trading patterns, this platform helps level the playing field for retail investors. Let's dive in. Here are the 3 analyst-approved nano-cap stocks that could deliver quadruple-digit returns. Welcome to Timely Investment Research. When it comes to speculative investments, nano-cap stocks reside on the extreme end of the spectrum. With market capitalizations below $10 million, these tiny companies come with oversized risk. Sinking money into them is akin to gambling. You might strike it big, but chances are you'll end up empty-handed. That said, while nano-cap stocks lack the stability of blue chips, they brim with potential. For thrill-seeking investors with cash to spare, the prospect of 1,000% returns could outweigh the risks. But before chasing lofty profits, understand what you're getting into. Nano-cap's minuscule size cuts both ways. Fundamental analysis gets tricky with little operating history and limited publicly available data. Plus, sudden price swings happen frequently. Should adverse developments occur, these businesses lack the resilience to bounce back. Of course, the opposite also holds true. A single positive catalyst can ignite a buying frenzy and send shares soaring. With that in mind, let's take a look at 3 nano-cap stocks. Number 1. Universal Security Instruments. Universal Security Instruments manufactures and sells smoke and carbon monoxide alarms, a necessity for almost all buildings and structures. With the market size being reasonably large, you'd think Universal Security Instruments would capitalize on the immense need for safety products. However, this nano-cap generated $22.2 million in revenue for fiscal year 2023. Sure, the 13.5% year-over-year growth is decent, but the overall number remains tiny. The stock plunged in third quarter 2023 after disappointing earnings. Sales declined 36.5% as the company posted a loss of $186,000. At first, this screams trouble. But looking closer, the declines seem temporary. As the president explained, sales were lower this quarter due to delays in getting cargo off the pier in California and supply chain issues. He also cited a $148,000 premium expense following an insurance audit. And get this, in third quarter 2022, Universal Security Instruments benefited from a $181,000 federal employee retention credit. That inflated last year's net income, making this year's loss look worse by comparison. When you peel back the layers, it's clear Universal Security Instruments' woes stem from short-term hiccups. The supply chain and insurance items should fully reverse in future quarters. Analysts expect sales to bounce back after shipment delays ease. Despite earning plunges, Universal Security Instruments still trades at a reasonable 6x earnings. This discount likely persists due to temporary setbacks skewing sentiment. Once operations normalize, however, this nano-cap could snap back considerably. Number 2. Super League Enterprise. Super League Enterprise develops multiplayer video games and produces gaming-related video podcast content. It collaborates with industry juggernauts like Roblox, Minecraft, and Fortnite, while also publishing titles on emerging platforms such as the Sandbox. Super League Enterprise uses data analytics to optimize games and help partners achieve goals. There's no sugarcoating this stock's financials. It's downright ugly. Super League Enterprise has lost money for years, burning through shareholder capital rapidly. In 2022, it posted an $85 million net loss on just $20 million of revenue. But there could be light at the end of the tunnel. So far, in 2023, losses have shrunk to $3 million compared to $7.2 million in sales. While still highly unprofitable, the cash burn rate finally shows signs of slowing. Dilution should ease with smaller losses, granting Super League Enterprises long-term growth story room to play out. Analysts target 45% revenue growth in 2024, implying that the sales scale remains robust. And at 0.2x expected 2024 revenue, shares seem to price in perpetual unprofitability. If execution improves and losses narrow further, this left-for-dead option in nano-cap stocks could spring back to life. Number 3. Black box stocks. Black box stocks is a software platform that helps traders identify lucrative stock and option trades. It uses AI and machine learning to scan the markets for profitable setups and alert users to money-making opportunities in real time. I particularly like how black box stocks offers rare insights into dark pools, options flow, and institutional order activity, something lacking on most retail trading platforms. But like SLGG, the income statement leaves much to be desired. Revenue declined last year as losses mounted. However, the decay seems to be decelerating as analysts expect a top-line reversal in 2024. While the expected 6.5% growth rate appears underwhelming, it could indicate that black box stocks' best days still lie ahead. As retail trading activity expands globally, platforms allowing self-directed investors to level the playing field should see tailwinds. And with unique perspectives into how the smart money operates, black box stocks provides exactly that. The company may still have much to prove, but with profits projected to inch closer this year, black box stocks seems poised to ride the retail trading wave higher, albeit with plenty of risk attached. Thanks for spending some time with us today, Timely Investment Research. We're so glad you did. If you found value in today's video, please give us a like, hit that bell icon to never miss an upload, and hey, don't forget to subscribe.